Imagine standing on a spaceship, staring at a swirling, gigantic ball of storms, colors, and gases, a planet so massive it could fit over 1/300 Earths inside it. You're about to do something humans have never even dreamed of. You're trying to land on Jupiter, the king of planets. But as the ship approaches, the first realization hits you. Jupiter isn't just a planet. It's a cosmic monster, a roaring storm of unimaginable scale. Its gravity is so powerful that if you miscalculate by a fraction, you could be crushed before even reaching its atmosphere. And that's just the beginning. Jupiter's atmosphere is a turbulent ocean of hydrogen and helium, with clouds that stretch thousands of kilometers deep, swirling in mesmerizing but deadly patterns. Lightning storms rage across its surface with energy 1,000 times greater than Earth's, and winds howl at over 600 kilometers per hour, fast enough to shred any spacecraft not perfectly engineered. Unlike Earth, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. If you think of landing, it's not like touching down on Mars or the Moon. It's more like trying to land on a stormy, never-ending sky where the denser you get, the hotter and more violent it becomes. Even if your ship somehow survives the crushing gravity and the blistering storms, the temperatures are extreme. Near the outer cloud tops, it's bitterly cold, around minus 145 degrees Celsius. But descend even a little, and the heat rises dramatically, reaching thousands of degrees. The pressure increases so quickly that your spacecraft could be flattened like a soda can in seconds. No human-built material has ever endured conditions like this. And don't forget Jupiter's radiation belts, harsh, invisible streams of charged particles that can fry electronics and damage DNA faster than you can say mission abort. Astronauts would need suits and shielding far beyond anything we've ever made, or they'd be vaporized long before touching the clouds. But let's say, in some sci-fi twist, you survive the radiation, the storms, the crushing pressure, and somehow reach deeper layers of Jupiter. The colors around you shift from pale orange and white to violent reds and browns. Enormous cyclones, larger than Earth itself, spin endlessly, and lightning flashes illuminate the clouds in terrifying brilliance. Your sensors detect turbulent currents that have been raging for centuries, feeding off the planet's internal heat. Every meter you descend, the environment becomes stranger than anything humans have ever experienced. Jupiter isn't just a planet. It's a living, breathing storm, and it's entirely indifferent to your presence. And yet, the science behind it is incredible. Jupiter's immense gravity affects the entire solar system, shaping the orbits of asteroids and even protecting Earth from potential catastrophic collisions. Its iconic Great Red Spot is a storm larger than Earth, spinning for at least 350 years. Beneath its clouds may lie an ocean of metallic hydrogen, a substance so dense it could conduct electricity like a metal, creating the planet's powerful magnetic field. If humans could study it up close, the discoveries could redefine physics, planetary science, and even our understanding of life itself. But landing on Jupiter? That's a dream for the imagination because reality is far too extreme. So what would actually happen if a human tried to land? The first moments would likely involve being crushed by gravity, disintegrated by immense pressure, or incinerated by the fierce heat and storms. Any spacecraft would need to be more resilient than anything on Earth, yet even that might not be enough. In truth, landing on Jupiter may never be possible, but it's precisely the extreme danger that fuels our fascination. It's a world of colossal storms, crushing forces, and mysteries lurking beneath the clouds. And our imagination is the only place where we can safely explore it, even from a safe distance. Jupiter tells a story of raw power and cosmic scale, reminding us how small and fragile we are in the grand theater of the solar system. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that faint, orange giant, imagine standing at its edge, staring into the storm, knowing that a human footprint will never grace its clouds, and yet dreaming endlessly about what could be possible. Because sometimes the most thrilling journeys aren't about arriving, they're about daring to imagine a world so extreme it defies reality itself.